Among my achievements, I would like to highlight my role in the realisation of the Reykjavík Summit for heads of states and governments. It would not have happened had it not been for the pace pushing hard on the Committee of Ministers to make it happen. Following the summit, I am also proud of my work last year to secure, for the first time in 17 years, real budget growth for the Council of Europe. This was a very important first step in order to implement the decision from Reykjavik. Without a strengthened budget, good follow-up would not be possible. Every house needs a real house cleaning every now and then, and I do feel that my contribution to dealing with the corruption scandal in 2017 and 18 was significant and important for our Assembly and the Council of Europe. I do not consider the exclusion of Russia in 2022 as a major achievement, but I'm proud of how I did my job as rapporteur for this very difficult case. To exclude a member state is a serious decision to make. It was difficult and very emotional, but I do feel that we handled the situation with respect and diligence. To me, this was important, and I'm proud that we managed to do exactly that.